The Honeywell HeatBud Ceramic Portable Mini Heater provides the right amount of heat in a small, portable design. This portable heater uses ceramic heating technology with a 250-watt output for personal heating. Its compact size is ideal for desktops, nightstands, and tabletop placement. With a single switch control, there are 2 different heat settings for you to choose from. The Cool Touch housing keeps this heater safe to touch, and the auto-off tip-over switch will turn off the heater in the event of it being knocked over. Exceeding industry standards, this heater also comes with overheat safety protection. The Honeywell HCE 100R HeatBud comes with a 3-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product,
Looking for the best hydroponic system kits for all budgets? Say hello to iPower. Ventilation systems combo. Various sizes hydroponic grow tent. Multiple types inline fan. Grow light systems kit. iPower, more value, more growing.